Naval warfare is undergoing a massive revolution, and at the forefront of this shift is the MİR Unmanned Surface Vessel. Engineered for the defense of the Blue Homeland, the MİR is no ordinary boat. It is a highly advanced autonomous swarm warship drone. Capable of operating completely independently or coordinating seamlessly in massive drone swarms, it is packed with cutting-edge electronic warfare suites, advanced sonar systems, and anti-submarine capabilities. With zero crew on board, it offers unmatched endurance, extreme maneuverability, and a highly reduced radar signature, making it a ghost on the high seas. But how is this autonomous naval predator actually constructed? Today, we are taking you on an exclusive tour inside the Sefine Shipyard. Join us as we witness the cutting-edge engineering, precision hull fabrication, and the complex AI integration process that brings the MİR USV to life. Let's get started.
This safe cutaway explains hull balance, protected sensing, and propulsion envelopes without revealing combat integration or swarm algorithms. The design phase maps safe hull geometry, protected sensing zones, and non-sensitive cooperative navigation concepts. Hydrodynamic review focuses on stable flow and safe handling, not tactical speed or maneuvering limits. Cooperative movement is illustrated as safe spacing and coordination, not as combat swarm logic or targeting behavior. Module sequencing is shown with harmless placeholders, protecting real electrical, communications, and autonomy architecture. The cutaway simplifies internal spaces into safe teaching volumes while avoiding weapon, autonomy, and propulsion control details. A safe production story moves from design to fabrication, protected integration, quality control, and controlled maritime demonstration. Fabrication focuses on visible hull structure, deckhouse surfaces, and marine finish without exposing restricted systems. Consistent visual fingerprints keep every production view tied to the same MİR training vessel. This simplified section teaches hull layering without revealing structural calculations, propulsion integration, or mission hardware. Exterior fabrication is shown as preparation, finishing, masking, protection, and visual quality control. Exterior checks focus on finish, protected sensing areas, covered outlets, and consistent visible training markings. Marine finishing is shown as protective layers and inspection steps, not as a recipe or specification. Integration uses harmless dummy modules to teach layout discipline while protecting autonomy, communications, and mission details. Module zones are shown as abstract blocks, explaining placement logic while hiding operational integration details. Cable discipline is visualized with capped training sleeves, emphasizing protection rather reorganization than real signal routing. Swarm behavior is taught as spacing and coordination, avoiding tactics, targeting, and real control algorithms. The vessel is explained by broad module categories, protecting the real details behind autonomous maritime systems. The safe integration workflow closes with dummy systems secured, covers sealed, and abstract checkout indicators displayed. After integration, quality control verifies sealing, exterior consistency, marine resilience, and safe handling readiness. Quality control verifies sealed exterior surfaces, marine handling, and visual consistency through safe demonstrations. Tank observation demonstrates sealing and balance concepts without disclosing displacement, endurance, or performance data. Post-basin work removes moisture, checks visible seams, and confirms protective covers remain secure. Vibration is presented as a visual safety check, not as a disclosure of test frequencies or survivability data. The final checks lead to a controlled sea demonstration focused on safe handling and cooperative spacing. The demonstration uses a controlled sea lane to show cooperative motion without revealing tactical autonomy. The demonstration states show visible motion only, not tactical control logic or operational procedures. Packaging protects the hull, sensing covers, outlet guards, and cradle points without revealing deployment information.